Hello guys, this is an orange and I will plant this orange to grow into a seedling.
It will grow on this fruit stalk. I will use the rooting stimulant that I have. You can use another because there are many different types in different areas. Mix root stimulant with water in a cup and soak the orange fruit in it. Soak for a few hours for the medicine to soak into the orange's fruit. Use microbial soil or soil mixed with smoked rice husks or guava mulch to plant because these types are very porous and retain moisture well for plants. Need to keep moisture by wrapping it with a nylon bag. After 15 days, there is a lot of steam inside the plastic bag, which proves that the humidity is very good. Do you see? The orange fruit has grown a very beautiful and lush shoot that proves it is growing very well. So I have successfully propagated orange trees from oranges. You can try to make them at home. Good luck. Here's a piece of twig that was cut off and I'm going to save it and it'll become a new tree. Let's see how I do it. This is where it will sprout. And we'll need to cut off the excess on this side. After cutting the two ends, it is necessary to smooth the two cuts at these two ends to create roots for the tree. The outer bark of the tree must be beveled for the roots to grow quickly. Use a cup of water. This is an American 90 brand root stimulant. It stimulates roots very quickly. soak it in the solution for a few hours. After soaking in the root stimulant solution, you need to apply glue to heal the scars on both sides of the cut. If there is no glue, we can replace it with white toothpaste. It has a drying effect on the surface of the cut to prevent fungi and bacteria from entering the cut, causing tree rot. We just need to apply the inner wood and leave the outer bark to create roots for the tree. I use sand to plant. Very cool sand keeps moisture and good drainage to help plants not rot due to waterlogging. Need a bunch of plastic bags to keep the seedlings moist, like growing in a very high humidity greenhouse.